In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do custom image cropping in PowerPoint like the Photoshop Magic Wand tool. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer. You want to have the software ready and accessible before we begin, so ensure that PowerPoint is open and running smoothly on your device. Next, navigate to your PowerPoint presentation where you'd like to perform the cropping. Open up the presentation and go to the slide that contains the image you want to edit. Having your slide ready makes the process smooth and helps you focus on enhancing the visual appeal of your presentation. Now locate the image you wish to crop. Click on it to select the photo. This tells PowerPoint that this is the image you're focused on working with. With the image selected, take your attention to the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint window. Here you should see the Picture Format tab. Click on it, and this will give you a variety of image tools specifically designed for editing and enhancing your picture. Among these tools, you'll find an option labeled Remove Background. Clicking on this will trigger PowerPoint's background removal feature, which works similarly to the Magic Wand tool in Photoshop. Essentially, it's a tool that tries to identify and remove the background area of your image automatically. However, it might not get everything perfect on the first try. Here is where the customization comes into play. You're going to see a selection box appear on your image. You'll also spot two essential icons, a plus sign and a minus sign. The plus sign is used to tell PowerPoint that certain areas need to be added back into your image, while the minus sign is used to remove more of the background. This allows you to refine which parts of your image remain visible to fine-tune the cropping to perfection. Experiment with these tools and take your time to adjust accordingly. It's quite intuitive. If part of your subject isn't showing, simply click the plus to retrieve it. Alternatively, if the tool missed some background parts that should be gone, click the minus to erase them. Once you're satisfied with your image adjustments, just click anywhere outside of the image to confirm your changes, and you should have a nicely cropped image that stands out against your slide background. By following these straightforward steps, you've now learned how to achieve custom image cropping in PowerPoint that rivals professional software capabilities. This technique can greatly enhance the aesthetic quality of your presentations, giving them that extra polish and professionalism. Be sure to practice and have fun with this feature to develop your skills further. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.